Y'all, things have been busy over here. But as they calm down, hopefully in the near future, I plan to continue working on our CSP character sheet some more. In addition to that, I want to talk about starting a new disconnected series of one-offs, talking about how to build a certain component or make certain styles work. So if that'd be something you're interested in, I would appreciate a comment down below with either video ideas or just general support. It really does help keep me motivated to do this. Now, despite my crazy schedule, I have had the chance to look over Foundry and Custom System Builder's version 14 updates just a little bit. And with that, I was able to update Scryizu's custom graph module. But not just that, something that I've been working on for a while now for the module is being released at the same time. That's right, this isn't just a version update, it actually has a little bit of new content. I still often see people in the Discord asking how to make left-aligned character sheets, including things like the profile picture, name, and health bar on the left, with the body content centered on the right. Of course, I have covered how to force this with CSS, though that is a messy solution that has a lot of issues with responsive design and is very time-consuming. With that in mind, in a previous update of the module, I did make it where we could detach the profile picture and move it freely around the sheet, but that still left the name and the template controls unmovable. So as usual, if we start with a new template in the current version of Scryizu's graphs, we can go ahead and name it Demo. If we navigate to the template's display settings, we'll see a few new options in here. In this menu, we have the option to enable or disable each of the different Scryizu's graphs components to replace the native custom system builder one. In addition to being able to use the Scryizu's graphs profile picture, title, and template control panel, we have a drop-down here that allows us to hide both the template drop-down and the open template button for users depending on their role. That being said, we're going to leave it visible to everybody and enable all three of the components. Now, if I go down to our template's body and add a new panel that's set to be a grid of 3 columns, now if I add 2 panels inside of our grid, with the second one set to span 2 columns and both set to display their content vertically, I can go ahead and drag our profile image and title inside of the left panel and put whatever I want in the right panel. For example, a multi-row dynamic table. I could change the template controls to be inside one of these panels or beneath them, or I can simply click on the header and change how they're floated with inside their parent container. I can also add new elements into it, so if I wanted to position an edit lock inside of the panel, I can either drag it in like a normal component, or click the plus to add a new component directly inside, and drag it around to change the positioning within the panel. And just like that, what used to take me hours with imperfect results has just taken seconds. With that in place, I hope you find this module increasingly helpful, and if you have any ideas for things that you'd like to see included in the future, I'm always open for suggestions. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That, along with watching the videos all the way through, is the best way to help the channel grow. But if you want to support my work more directly, you can find my Ko-Fi in the description below, or hire me for a commission. That being said, if you just have money you'd like to throw around, both Link and Martin, the creators of Custom System Builder, also have Ko-Fi accounts. For as long as I've been in the Custom System Builder community, I've never seen either one of them promote their own links, and they don't even know I'm talking about it right now. While I can't speak for Link or Martin, I do this just because it helps the community and pushes my development skills to grow further. It's going to remain completely free, and there's free ways to support it like you're already doing right now. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.